Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing our weekly market outlook, breaking down the key events that are going to move the market. This is an absolutely huge week. On Tuesday, we have earnings from ORCL and GME, and of course, the Apple iPhone event. Wednesday brings us PPI inflation and a 10-year bond auction, along with CHW earnings. Thursday is a volatility bomb with CPI inflation and jobless claims, plus earnings from ADBE and KR. The week wraps up on Friday with consumer sentiment and inflation expectations, along with BABA earnings. Now let's talk about the current market sentiment. U.S. stock futures are on the rise as expectations of Federal Reserve interest rate cuts continue to drive gains. We've seen a rally that has pushed global bonds into bull market territory, and rate-sensitive tech stocks are climbing in pre-market trading. The S&P 500 and U.S. bonds have been on a tear, with traders betting that the Fed will kick off rate cuts this month. Despite clear cracks in the labor market, investors are wagering that the economy is still robust enough to power corporate earnings. The revisions to the Bureau of Labor Statistics data this week are expected to reinforce the view of a U.S. jobs slowdown. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.